Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Grant and I live in Iowa. I currently work as a substance abuse and drug counselor at our community health, our mental health center. We do behavioral health, substance abuse, mental health, psychiatry, and then we also have a primary care doctor on staff as well. I currently work with mostly women. I do the intensive outpatient, which meets 4 days a week for groups, and then I meet with those women for individuals as well. I do have a caseload of men as well, but the majority of my caseload is the women who attend that group. I've been working here for 3 years, and prior to that I was an in-home worker, worked with families that had been involved with what we call here in Iowa the Department of Human Services, so their children had been removed due to substance use or abuse. And then I would go into the homes to educate and to make sure they were getting the services that they needed. Let's see, the second question is, what have you most enjoyed learning in your past courses? I really enjoy this field. I really enjoy learning about really everything that has to do with social work. That's something that I'm very passionate about. So I can't say there really hasn't been anything that I haven't necessarily enjoyed learning about. I would say probably the things that I've most learned or enjoyed are, well, that's a good question. I really do enjoy the DSM-5. That was the last class we took. I enjoy learning about all the signs, symptoms, and behavioral manifestations that go into making diagnoses. What you are looking forward to or perhaps not looking forward to in this course. I just from flipping through the textbooks and then listening to the introduction video, the idea of understanding policy and where a country has come from in the past has really interested me. I do hope to at some point, many years from now in my career, get involved with policy and on that macro level. So that's something that's really intriguing to me and interesting to me. So I'm just looking forward to more learning about the process and where we've been as a country as far as social work is concerned. All right, thank you.